The Best of Jamaica 2020 Orlando Results Show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Orlando for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
We're going to move into Orlando. What is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery in Orlando? And I want to say I agree with this one. Caribbean Sunshine Bakery. So congratulations to Caribbean Sunshine Bakery. I'm hoping to realize it. So when it come on to the events and food, I can tell you about it and I can agree with it because I know. Where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries in Orlando? Caribbean Super Center is what was voted the best place to buy Jamaican groceries. So congratulations to the Caribbean Super Center. We have a winner yet? We have a winner? We have a winner? All right, so we'll soon announce the winner. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant in Orlando? And the people voted Negril Jamaican Restaurant. So congratulations to Negril Jamaican Restaurant for being the best local Jamaican restaurant in Orlando. We're going to keep it moving. And the Jamaican / Caribbean annual event that people miss the most attending due to COVID-19 in Orlando is the Orlando Jerk Festival. So congratulations to the team there. People miss or no. Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.